I'm gonna make a tofu mystery sandwich. Carrot pickle thing, one for me. By the way, I really like my shirt. Rice, vinegar, salt, some sugar, but I gotta get it. Sugar, cucumber. One for me. This is not authentic by any means. I'm just using whatever I have in my house and I'm making something. Could be good, it could not. What do you think about authenticity? Because for me, I think everyone has a different story to tell and a different view on what's authentic. But I think the main thing is to respect the differences, respect the cultures, and then not be afraid to share your story, to share your culture, to share your food in a compassionate, enriching way. Let's see how this peach looks. Kind of rotten. You see that? Let's not use that part. That's peachy. See, this is fine. Firm tofu. Everyone does the same things. We eat the same things. We listen to the same music. We like to go to the same places. We watch the same types of TikTok videos. Mamma mia! Food that we eat is not just dictated by culture, but a lot of it is dictated by trends. What's hot right now? You look at the menu of a fancy fine dining tasting menu. They have Wagyu beef, caviar, sea urchin. They have all the same things and it's similar technique. What we eat, what we listen to, the activities we do. So I want you to really think about what makes you happy and not what makes other people happy. So that's the matrix. Do as you're told and do what's been tested, do what's been done. But sometimes you gotta be a way shower and create innovation. And really, innovation is not a crazy thing. It's just doing what you feel is in your heart. It's like every year there's new fashion. Every year they're coming out with new clothes. It's like the phone. I love my iPhone, but every year they come out with the new version. It's like with the car. Get a new car, get a new car. They put little features. So I believe objects are part of the human experience, but if you put all your happiness on the object, what are you really living for? Because there's always gonna be something new and you're gonna be stuck in a cycle. You can only find the happiness within. It's your responsibility to fill your cup with love and light. And once that cup overflows, then you can share it out. This is semolina. Mamma mia. Because I live in like Little Italy, not actually Little Italy, but there's a lot of Italian Americans here. It's made of semolina flour, which is used for a lot of Italian pasta. Oil. I like things in people that are more lasting, more sustainable. It's not to say that we can't change, we can't evolve. That's a natural process of life, and I think that's part of growth. But I think you can tell the difference between something that's only going to provide a short-term benefit, and you could look at something that has more of a long-term commitment, okay? Don't be afraid of commitment, because to be truly committed to something, you have to be a little bit more vulnerable and open to it. Cooking. Oh crap, it's sticking. It's kind of like a wok. Oil. Here's some lemongrass, garlic, and ginger. I looked how to cut lemongrass from another TikToker, Share My Roots. Chili flake, tofu back in, soy sauce, peaches and tomatoes, pepper, avocado. Oh, perfect. I really like the Vietnamese dish lemongrass chicken. Avocado on this side, cucumber for freshness, carrot, lime. Look at the sandwich. This looks good. This is innovation. And disclaimer, I respect all cultures and their food. This is a fantastic vegan sandwich. Don't be afraid to innovate, to be a way shower, to follow your heart, but do it respectfully. Cheers.